Welcome to our special Mother's Day episode. I'm Jake, and today we're diving deep into the significance of Mother's Day and exploring thoughtful gift ideas to honor the incredible women in our lives.
Hi, everyone. I'm Emily, and I'm thrilled to join this conversation. Mother's Day is a beautiful occasion to express our love and gratitude to the women who've nurtured and supported us.
Mother's Day isn't just a date on the calendar, it's a heartfelt reminder of the sacrifices, love, and strength our mothers embody. From sleepless nights to unwavering support, mothers shape our lives in countless ways.
Absolutely. It's a day to reflect on their unwavering dedication and to celebrate their role in our personal growth and happiness.
Let's explore some meaningful gift ideas that can make your mom feel truly special this Mother's Day.
Great idea. Here are some curated suggestions. Personalized jewelry, Fifth Y Store Best Mom Ever t-shirt. A heartfelt message she can wear proudly. Customized home decor, photo-personalized handmade mom. Theme wooden decorative plaque. A unique piece that adds a personal touch to her space. Luxury tea set. Isle Ola tea gift set. For moms who cherish their tea time. Scented candles, gorgeous Mother's Day box of 1 candle. To create a relaxing ambiance at home, gift baskets, sweet elegance basket, a delightful assortment of treats and goodies, customized mugs, Peepaw Est 2025 coffee mug, perfect for her morning coffee ritual. Gift combos, Mother's Day gift combo, a combination of her favorite items in one package. Personalized gift boxes, Mother's Day gift box, tailored to her preferences. Meaningful keepsakes, Mother's Day gifts. From daughter-son, tokens that capture cherished memories.
These are fantastic options. Remember, the best gifts come from the heart. Even a handwritten letter or a day spent together can mean the world to her.
We'd love to hear from our listeners. What are your favorite Mother's Day memories or gift ideas? Share your stories with us.
Absolutely. Connect with us on our social media platforms and let us know how you're celebrating this special day.
Mother's Day is a reminder to cherish and honor the women who've given us so much. Let's make it memorable for them.
Well said. Thank you for joining us on this special episode. Wishing all the amazing moms out there a happy Mother's Day.